Hey everybody, welcome back to BigRedEDC. Checking out the latest offering from Petrified Fish. This is the Barracuda. And obviously as you can see, we have got ourselves a very, very interesting fixed blade going on here. Now as you can see, you've got this Kydex style sheath. You've got the soft loops on it. Now it does come with, a different offering as far as clip is concerned. I would prefer to definitely stick with the soft loops and carry Scout style for sure. But for those of you that do like the other style clip, it's in there. It's ready for you. But nice size Kydex sheath, and it's got, nice snap. Definitely got some good retention. Love the snap on it for sure. But there you go. There is the Barracuda itself. So, what's the Barracuda giving us? Well, it's giving us G10, black G10 on this one. Also comes available in green micarta and purple G10. You've got the black stonewashed blade N690 steel on it. There you go. N690 right there. And you've got this really, really nice looking clip point blade with this. I especially like the ramp for my thumb. When I'm using a fixed blade like that, that ramp definitely comes in handy. Now, you do have some jimping on that ramp. Doesn't really grab the thumb that well. I mean, as you can see, I'm pretty much sliding my thumb across it. But the ramp itself does really, really help my grip for sure. And you got a lanyard hole going on. Lanyard fans, full tang construction. Now, if you had some, it looks like you could take those off. Now, I did not see on the website, I'd have to go back and look whether, you could change out, order. That's what I was trying to say. Order, different color. Or if you want to make some scales of your own, you could definitely do that. And, I think you could even make them and use that hardware. Those of you that are modders, make scales and stuff like that, I'm pretty sure you could figure that out very, very easily. The G10 does give a very good grip, absolutely. And the biggest thing for me, the feel in hand, is very nice. It feels very, very good in hand. So, quick spec check. We'll see what we got going on there. So, let's get right there. So, overall, we're looking at just over 8 inches, about 8 1/4. Overall, pretty close to 4 1/2 on the handle. We're going to say the blade is right about 3 3/4, and it's going to be just a little over 3 1/2 as far as cutting edge. You do have a nice choil, sharpening choil right there. But the biggest thing for me is the feel in hand. It feels absolutely terrific in hand. Give you a little bit of a size comparison there. There it is against the bug out. Obviously, fixed blade should be bigger than the bug out. I mean, some of our EDC fixed blades are fairly small. And there you go. There it is up against the PM2. Let's get our scale out here. Oh, I got stuff sitting on the scale. There we go. We'll get a weight. We'll get a weight by itself. So you're looking at 4.9 ounces. It's not bad for the size at all. And that's going to be 138 grams. We'll throw the Kydex on there just to see the difference. So 187 or 6.6 ounces. So it does add a little bit of weight to it for sure. Now, like I said, both the options, you've got soft loop, you've got the clip. Definitely going to stick with the soft loop option for me on this one. Now, if you guys may have seen the initial cut test on it, if you haven't, it'll be linked down below like I've been doing with the shorts. So feel free, go check it out, see how it performed right out of the box. Now, of course, you're going to get the cleaning cloth. You're going to get a sticker. Sorry, I just have fun doing that. But overall, this is a very, very solid knife. I am very happy with the way it feels in hand. Now, obviously, well, I didn't give you a grip length. Let's give you a grip length. You can see that I have a good amount left over. I mean, we're pushing a little over 4 inches. So in my 3.5 inch grip there, you can see I have a decent amount left over for sure. Overall, I really, really like this one. You can carry it. I scout carried it at work. They have a little issue with the little bigger knives, but that's okay. Wear my coat. It'll be fine. They'll get over it. But overall, very, very good performing knife, very good ergonomic knife, and coming in at $93. I think it's priced pretty reasonably for what you get out of it, for sure. Now, of course, I have to say thank you to Petrified Fish for sending this one out. I do greatly, greatly appreciate it. And of course, you guys know, I appreciate you guys stopping by to check out the Barracuda with me, for sure. Quick video today. Guys, I hope you have a fantastic rest of your day. Like, subscribe, leave me that comment. You know I love talking to you. Until next time, guys, I'll talk to you later. Bye-bye.